This is Ashir Abbas from After Sales Support Team. Welcome to Keenon Training Series courses for our partners. In this episode, I would like to give you the complete robot logs, bags, and Krlog extraction process methods in order to give you a better understanding and for the troubleshooting of robots. This presentation includes three parts. The first one is user manual, how to copy logs, bags, and also Krlog method for both laser and Lable type. And some compatibilities are required. For example, the ROS version must be 1.4 or above. The robot version, which is the Lable type operating system, must be 1.7 or above. And for the Krlog method for both LS and LV, which is laser and Lable. And also I will show you how to extract the bags from Excel tool and via Keenon remote assistant, and for Krlog tool from the robot interface. Now the first one is to extract the log and bag from laser type robot. First you need to connect your laser type robot with laptop. In order to do so, you need to connect your laser type robot's hotspot with laptop's Wi-Fi with static IP, which is 192.168.64.20. After you connect successfully, you can just open your Explorer, type this in your Explorer bar, and then you will be able to enter our internal system of laser type robots. Click on the home. Credentials like username will pop up, which is root, and the password is 123456. This is for the network authentication. If the password is not correct, you can try Keenon Robots and enter again. After you enter, you click on Keenon. Inside here you can see bags and logs, which you can copy and send it to after sales support team for troubleshooting process. This was method number one. And make sure you only copy that part from bag which during the period of robot error. The timestamp after robot inside the time when the robot starts up and the program start running, we want to copy the same period. You don't need to copy the whole folder. You can enter the bag, enter the log. From the bag you need to check the time period correct, and from the log you can just copy this log and send it to the R&D. Now method number two, either you directly go inside the Explorer of the robot, and the link and the path is shown here: USB storage emulated 0 ROS home Keenon idle box. You can copy this and send it to them, or you can connect from our remote assistant software, clicking this one, which will give you access like that. From here you can copy the logs, the idle bags. Now method number three, via Excel. In this method you need to connect your robot with the laptop with the hotspot. The username is Peanut and the password is Keenon Robot. Once you enter the Excel, you need to enter the Keenon, then enter bag, then click LL. Bag name, the bag named is ROS serial number, just like that, and the time slot. Bag time is the time when the logs start to be recorded. Copy the bag when the problem occurred. You need to be very careful when you are copying the bag, because we only need that time when the error is coming for troubleshooting purposes. Sudo cp ROS bag 1 can be changed to any name. You are prompted to enter the password, which is Keenon Robot. Then you need to zip that bag with sudo zip bag.zip.bag1. You need to execute this. Then that means that you need to export this bag1. And for the log you need to enter again cd Keenon. Then you need to enter cd log. Execute this command, check the time period, zip that log bag, export that log pad, just like how we did for bag. Same way we do for logs. Now this is for label type. For that you need to connect your laser robot with the laptop. Enter the ARM by executing this command. You can enter ls space log star. That's how you see the log 1 and log 2 are the current logs, and logs 1 and logs 2 are the current scheduling log. Copy and rename the log. This step can be compressed directly without copying and renaming. You need to log cp log 111, then you need to zip it, compress it, and then you can enter this command. It will be saved. Here you can see log_1.zip, log_2.zip, log_3.zip, and so on, another log. Identify the corresponding time period of copying logs. You need to be very careful again with the timing, because we only require that time in which the error is occurred. Then you can export by entering this CZ. This means they're exporting the logs. That's how you export the log in Lable. And now for the Krlog file, there is a application inside your laser type robot and also in the Lable type robots. This one, you can just click on this first option in laser type, and also in the second, also in the Lable type robot, you can click on this one, which means the entire logs. Insert the USB and click export. File log automatically exported to the USB file. Thank you.